Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Fiat 500 shift knob. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and your new shift knob. Ensure your car is parked safely with the engine off. This process is straightforward and can be completed in about 15 minutes. We'll cover removing the old knob, installing the new one, and performing final checks for a secure fit. To begin, gently pry up the shift pattern cap from the top of the knob using a thin tool like a knife or flathead screwdriver. This cap is often held by adhesive. Once the cap is off, you'll see a 10mm bolt. Use your 10mm socket to remove this bolt. Then, firmly pull the old shift knob straight up to remove it from the lever. You may need to apply some force. Now, take your new shift knob and align it properly with the shift lever. Push the new knob firmly down onto the lever until it seats completely. Reinstall the 10mm bolt into the top of the knob and tighten it securely with your 10mm socket. Finally, reattach the shift pattern cap by aligning its tabs and pressing it firmly into place until it clicks or adheres. Finally, test your new shift knob by moving through all the gears while the car is still off. Ensure it feels secure and doesn't wobble or come loose. Double-check that the shift boot is properly reattached and looks neat. Enjoy your refreshed interior. This simple upgrade can make a big difference in your driving experience and the look of your Fiat 500.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.